This is example 2 for the introduction to assembly files. When you are complete, leave your file open as the next exercise will be building on this example. To begin example 2, we need to start a new assembly file using the new icon, and then in the new SOLIDWORKS document window, select the inch assembly 3 decimal place template and select OK. Now, before we browse for our component, let's select the Keep Visible tab. Then we'll select Browse, and in the example 2 starting point files folder, select starting point file 1. Select the check mark to drop it on the origin, and again select Browse, select starting point file 2, select Open, zoom out, and drop that in the graphics area. Again select Browse, select starting point file 3, select Open, and drop it in the graphics area. We've now added the 3 components we'll be adding in this example, so select Cancel to finish adding components. Next, we need to rotate our assembly around using the middle mouse wheel until our base part, this light blue part, has the top portion at the back and pointing to the right. I can now activate the Rotate Component command using the R key on my keyboard, and I'll rotate this dark blue component and the green component to their rough orientations. Press Escape to get out of the Rotate Component command, and then press Q to activate the Mate command. We can mate the backs of the components. Next, I can mate this face to the top face of our base component, and this face, I have a point selected, so I'll delete that, and it would be wise for me to activate my selection filter using F5 and then Filter Faces and F5 again. I can now continue adding my mates. We now have all of our mates added for example 2. Once you've completed adding these mates, begin with the next example to continue adding parts to this assembly file.